Protection Plus can be used in different types of spray equipment, including the hose end sprayer. There are 4 things you need to remember when using the hose end sprayer. First, as always, you shake the Protection Plus concentrate to make sure our natural ingredients are well mixed. Then, second thing you want to remember when filling the tank of the hose end sprayer, you always fill it with the full strength concentrate. You don't dilute the concentrate first. Okay, and now. The third thing you want to remember is to adjust the dial to the correct dosage. For Protection Plus, when used as a foliar, suggest using it at the 4 ounces per gallon. If you're going to use your hose end sprayer for a soil drench, you want to dial that down to 2 ounces per gallon. The fourth and final thing you want to remember when using the hose end sprayer is to always adjust your spray nozzle to the spray pattern that gives you the finest mist or the smallest droplet size.